more videos. So, hey guys, welcome to the Rockstar Run MC. Excuse me. So, today we are back on a server which got resetted today. So, not a whole thing to say, you guys, but even you guys can see I just voted now to get some of the stuff, and I even got my kit tools, even called as my rank kit. And the most horrible thing we can see right now is the rain. Yeah, the rain. It's raining a lot, and yeah, I voted now like almost 5 times so I can get stuff. And even I got some mystery kits which I need to open, and you guys can even see my skin is changed. Yeah, only for this new server series. I changed my skin for this server series that I bought from my Kit Diamond. And let's even open this all stuff by this crates, and let's just keep all this stuff in my PV1. It's also called as extra chest for my rank. Yeah, I can even open the ender chest for my rank, which happens to be a cool thing. And yeah, it's raining a lot. The shades will look cool. You guys can see the rays, right? It's really good. The only thing I'm just lagging cause I got some of this rain which is lagging me. And it happens to that I am just getting almost like 15 to 20 frames, which is not too a good thing, right? I want to just go out, but let's just go and see what type of warp we just got. We got some east, north, shop, south and west, right? So we need to check out the warp so that we can say that the particular warp is at some place like water. But let's just go and check this east, and you guys can see that I got 500 balance. Oh, I found out. Oh, thank God. What? Oh, this is the head of the admin. He's called as Odysseus. Yeah. So you guys can see it's not raining here, but still it's night, so not too good to go out, which is kind of scary almost. And we need to even check some of the warps which are really good to know before going to a place. So I need to create a pack. First of all, I got some balls, so we need you guys can see I got a pack now. We just keep even a description for it, like the faction is back to world. Yeah, to world. It's not a best description, but it's really cool. And even I need to change my nickname. Yeah, I want my nickname to be Rockstar. To always be a Rockstar in this server. And the most weird thing is the water is kind of looking like black water, and its beacon is even looking good. But we are in a room, and we need to even join some jobs. Yeah, I need to join some jobs like a builder, and it's woodcutter. Yeah. So even miner, yeah, I forgot about miner. These are the 3 best jobs I really like in this server, and these are the things I commonly do in this server. Yeah, so this thing is really so good. So I will meet you guys when it comes to be morning. Finally back in the same place. Yeah, I was just waiting for almost like a 5 minutes, and it still happens to be the night. So I thought, why don't we just go and check the shop, right? I saw the shop in the warp list, so let's just go and check the shop, cause I need to buy some things. I got some bad, right? Yeah, 400, which is not too good, not too big, but still I need to find some starting kit like a tools. But yeah, I need to find some of these things, and there's a shop, and diamonds 64,000. Just S, which means sell. So will we be able to buy here? Let's just see. I mean, let's just buy things, but this thing says it's a fancy shop, and even it's got some blocks here, even called as log. The blocks, see, it doesn't let us to buy. What kind of noob I am? Yes, it doesn't let you to buy anything. Only it does is sell. And let's even read the rules, which are kind of boring, same as usual. And let's just even I want to show you some of this stuff. Even and it's still night, so we just go inside and just look at the staff later, or let's go out or see anything. It happens to be going to morning, right? You guys can see the sky which is turning little bit morning, which is a good thing, right? Really, it's a good thing. So, and I forgot to say you, this is 1.8 really. Yeah, it's not the 1.9 update because the server is not yet updated to 1.9. They are saying that they I mean the plugins for the server is not yet updated, so we are not going to update till the plugins get updated. And we just need to go to the north. We need to check the every north so we guys can know what kind of bob is suitable for us. So you guys can see it's water. You guys can see it is looking like an end from here inside the water. I don't even know why. Let's just go even for south. I guess it would be good for us. And I can see some of the land, but still I want to check all the rocks. Checking everything is not a bad thing, right? We need to check, and I hate water really. It's a water more and there's even more land, but some kind of people really think that having water is good, as they can travel in the boat and reach an island, and just they can build something. And I thought I was in the water for a minute. So okay, this is even the water thing. So south and west are of water kind, and let's just even be as a pig. So I can even be as a pig, creeper, enderman, not enderman, pig, creeper, sheep, cow, and spider, skeleton, zombie, squid. These are the kind I can just be like them. So let's just go for east, because we saw that it was in the land, I mean above the land, so it's a good thing for us. And even it's kind of morning, so no need to fear for us, like. So let's go, and you guys can see it's morning, and holy good, the shaders are really good, I need to say. You guys can see it's really good, and we can't even just break here, and there's a kind of hole or a cave. It's not too safe for us to go and fall inside. Yeah, no one wants to get die in the first series, right? And the shaders are really good, I need to say, and it is wilderness, so I think we can break things from here. So I got some good efficiency kit. It's of efficiency 5 and breaking 3, which is good for my kit, and even the starting tools. And this what is also having the sharpness 1 and fire aspect 1, and you guys can see the rays which are coming from the leaves or the side of the trees, which are really good, I need to say. And let's just break this acacia wood. Yeah, they I don't really use them much, but still we need to use them for now, and because we don't have any option other than that. You guys can see the rays which are coming from these, which are really good. I'm just impressed by them. I need to reach up. Yeah, but it seems to be not too good work. We need to do some Parker stuff, and I want to be just honest, I am not too good at Parker, really. I'm just not even a noob and not even expert of pro. I'm just middle kind. I mean, not too good, not too bad. Let's see what kind of wood we got. Some of the wood, and I even kept my wood in there. Yeah, got a good landing in there. So I'm getting a good frames per second, and this grass are not even shaking. Long grass, I don't even know why they're just still like this. They're just standing or just sitting there. And I hope we could get some of this. Now let's just kill this sheep. Yeah, I want some food. I can even do some of the commands like slash feed, which gives me some of the food, or just increase my hunger level, decrease my hunger level. I can even be let's just be cow, so it will be good. The shaders are really bright, and I really like them a lot, really. And we are just getting some good frames, and we are not even lagging, thank god. It's a good thing. And we need to craft a boat. Yeah, I thought this was a land for a minute, but after getting and exploring here, we need to go in and just make a boat. Yeah, and really we need to make some boat. And I forgot I can even do slash craft, and you guys can see. So this thing is really good. The shaders are really good. Yeah, we need to make, and this is a desert area. I like the desert cause there is no rain, and it's really good thing to go in a desert. Yeah, it is. So I just fall down. I know I'm not too good at parkour, and we can get this sugarcane which will be useful for us. I can't say they're really useful, but we need to go and make a boat to cross this river or see what kind of thing, but it's a water body. So I got some 400 bal as usual. I thought I just do some I did some of the work. I thought I would get some money by doing some work in here. I just joined the jobs, right? So I said I can do some of the crafting, right? There's no need for me to craft a crafting table, so I can do a slash craft, and we got a boat. So I said this is a 1.8 server, so you guys can see the boat is still as normal as 1.8. So really, you guys can see the water really looks good, right? The fishes. It's really good. So we are in the kind of 1.8 server, so the boats are really not too good as 1.8, 1.9 or the pocket edition boats. Let's just be a zombie because no one wants to get near a zombie riding in a boat in the middle of a ocean, because there's no land in here. And see, the background is still really good. I really need to appreciate the shaders, which are really good, and inside the water is even good, which is really looking good. Sorry for saying so many times of good. So I forgot to say, even from like a past 10 days, Thor has forgot his password for the server. This is a cracked server, so everyone, even the premium and cracked users, need to keep some passwords. So Thor is basically a cracked user. He's not a premium one. So you guys can see that. Oh, I thought for a minute I was like glitching. Oh yeah, my render is not as good as I'm just saying. Yeah, Thor is not a premium user. So this is a zombie, right? Oh, I was seeing that the zombie was walking on a water. No, it's even burning now. So I want to say, yeah, who just want to? Oh, it's a villager zombie. So I think this is a villager zombie. I hope there's a village event because it's a villager zombie, which means the village got infected by a zombie, and this villager just turned out to a zombie. And this is a creeper land. My God, I just met these creepers. They're like a group of 4 to 5. And yeah, just killing at times. This war is really good, and it's really good, and we need to go and kill some of these creepers. And you guys can see the village, right? I'm really lucky, and these creepers are standing in each direction, which is really kind of funny. Oh, my net is really glitching me somewhat, and my shovel is even good. So yeah, I said the creepers are standing in each direction. I think they're just thinking what the hell we are doing now. So yeah, you guys can see the village, which is really too good for me to get this village in the kind of first episode. Really, this episode is really going good. I know there's some kind of boring at the first, but still we got a village, right? So no need to worry. I hope this village is not caught by any player and they just got stolen everything. Yeah, I think they got just stolen everything, which is kind of sad. But still, the villagers are they're just alive, so we can just trade for them. And man, you are just trading very costly. Yeah, but still, See, he's just thinking, what is this person doing in my home and commenting on it? So sorry villager, sorry, I just don't want to disturb you. Just look at yourself and look at your house. And I said some player got this villager and just got everything. I think that player is just a kind of noob. Oh, what the heck, he just came out of the home. I want to even set this home as village. I forgot to say I can even set 10 homes, which is a good thing. So that villager just glitched out of the door, which is kind of creepy. And it's time, I think it is turning night, and this zombie is looking at the tree thinking it has a bonsai. Zombie need to learn, it's not a bonsai, it's a tree, it's an acacia wood. So just learn yourself, and these are just still like this, just not even moving with the air. Are they made up of plastic or what? So even my hungry level is decreasing. I mean the hunger bar is decreasing, which the thing I need to say instead of hungry level. So I just want to say you something. When you're hungry, grab a sneaker. This is what I even see of sneakers at. So sneakers does not exist in Minecraft, which is kind of funny. So we can grab some of the bread or just meat, steak, which is good. So I forgot we can even stay in the villages. It's really we need to say our luck that the player did not even edit his house. So we can just what they are just doing, the villagers looking at the house and another villagers looking at the person who's looking at the house. So we can just go into this house and sorry villager, I did not mean to disturb you, but still sorry man. I just want to close this door so no zombie can come and break. And villager, we are safe, I got you. He's a rock star who is who even needs some help and who is also helping you. So shaders use some light when we hold torch like this, which is kind of realistic, I need to say. So I need to wait for 6 minutes so I can just get off the food from why the heck I even like. And you guys can see the light which is coming from this, really good. I'm sorry if I'm just speaking very fastly, sorry for that, because I got a habit of speaking very fastly. So let's just get some food. We got a whole stuff of food, and we can even open this crates. I forgot to say that there's a food kind of crate, which are coal which is kind of low, and iron which is common crate, and emerald which is ultra crate, and diamond which is epic crate. So diamond is more and coal is less, iron which is normal, and emerald is somewhat more than iron. So we got some of the stuff and some of the good food, and which is kind of good. Sorry for saying good for so many times. And for what we can even eat this god apples or whatsoever, cause we miss them in the 1.9, right? Yeah, we can't even craft them in 1.9. Let's open this weight crates. So we got some food, by the way we can make some torches. Yes, happens to get some of the torch. Yeah, I've only got, just even keep this stuff in there. Let's just even craft some of the torches. So sorry for that sound. So let me just grab some of the torches from the TV one, I mean player wallet something. So I got some of the wood and I made some sticks, and I just make a bunch of torches. I got some of them and I just keep them all over the, oh god. So let's just keep them all over the house, and which looks very bright, and no need to fear. I can look some villages who are looking. What the funny thing is, one is looking at the door and another one is looking at the trees, which is really kind of funny. I really like villages because they're kind of funny, and I will see you guys when it becomes morning. Hey guys, actually which happens if the zombies are just going in a house, and I just got to see a zombie which is breaking a door of another team. I will see you guys when another, yeah, they just got in the house and they're just dancing with the villagers. Yeah, I need some music please. So actually it's kind of evil because I'm just enjoying by seeing them See that there are like almost 5 zombies which are dancing with the villager to make it as their zombies, which is kind of creepy. I'll see you guys, and there's even a baby copy. I'll see you guys when it's morning. Sorry for saying it again. That night was really horrible. I was just listening or hearing the sounds of zombies breaking the doors. I think there are almost so many zombies out there. Uh, I got this golden apples. So let's just eat this one so we can get some absorption effect. So there are more. Yeah, I said the zombies outside there, so let's just kill them all. Yeah, which is kind of cool. Oh god, they're just hurting me. My god, these zombies are looking at a person in the house. Oh, there's our hero, baby zombie. I like these baby zombies which are too fast and really hard to get them. Yeah, I killed them. Yes, this is really good. And oh god, it's really hard to fight them when there's a group of zombies. And why the heck he just gave me an effect of fire. Oh, I was able to jump in the water, but still the fire is gone. Yeah, I need to go and see what is going on in the village. So I forgot to say, even in 1.9 we got a new path instead of gravel. So I don't like this gravel path, but in 1.9 we got the new path by which we can use it by using the shovel and right clicking, and the reflection of water is too good really. My mind is just blowing away by the shaders which are really good, and my absorption effect is still there. So we got some diamonds, lapis lazuli, and we got just even the god apples. I forgot to say, which is kind of good. So let's just craft a boat. I think it's like our second time crafting it. So yeah, let's just go to a place, and I hope we could get some of the good place. Actually, already this episode is almost long and somewhat boring. I know, so I really sorry for saying, but it's still I really enjoy this video. I really enjoy this video for you guys. So I just don't want to go in the boat and make another house, which takes a lot of time for you guys. So let's just end this video soon as possible. But still I really enjoy by making these videos for you guys. You guys are really awesome. I need to say, you guys are really awesome. You're just giving me a bunch of good experience and good everything is good for me. So let's just end this episode from this tree. Don't think this tree as a bounce, and see the sword is just cracking on my camera. This is really good, and I forgot to show a good customization of my skin. Yeah, so let's just so we got a new skin which is totally good, and I'm really trying to do this kind of videos every day. So even please leave a like for them and subscribe for more videos like this. So you guys are awesome, and thanks a lot. Peace.